Most people get this wrong. They think all commercial insurance providers are basically the same. But Kinsale Insurance Company has some unique features that make it stand out, especially for small businesses and specialty risks. Today, I'm sharing my full experience using their services. Kinsale specializes in excess and surplus lines, meaning they cover risks that standard insurers might avoid. This includes businesses in industries like restaurants, contractors, tech, and specialty operations. One of the surprising truths is how quickly they can issue policies compared to traditional carriers, which is a big advantage for businesses that need coverage fast. The application process is straightforward. You provide basic information about your business, industry, and risk exposure. Kinsale then evaluates the policy and offers coverage options tailored to your needs. Unlike some large insurers, they are known for their responsive customer service, which is crucial if you need help understanding your coverage or filing a claim. In terms of coverage, Kinsale offers general liability, professional liability, cyber liability, and property insurance, among others. Their policies are flexible, allowing businesses to customize limits and add endorsements specific to their risks. During my experience, I found that the online portal was easy to navigate and documents were accessible for download anytime. On the downside, because Kinsale is a specialty insurer, premiums can be higher than standard commercial policies, especially for high-risk industries. However, the trade-off is often faster coverage approval, more tailored policies, and expert risk management support. In conclusion, Kinsale Insurance Company is an excellent option for businesses that need specialized coverage, quick policy issuance, and responsive service. If your business falls into a unique or higher risk category, it's worth considering Kinsale for your insurance needs. Subscribe for more honest reviews on insurance companies and business solutions.